Hello friends, welcome to my channel Live, Sing, Eat and Travel. It's a Sunday today and hence I have prepared a delicious chicken recipe for you people. Before starting my video, I would like to request everybody to subscribe to my channel. For today's oil-free chicken recipe, I have selected half kg of chicken. I took 3 big onions, 1 tomato, 1 small ginger, 2 potatoes cut it into 8 pieces, some green chilies and a big garlic. For the spices, I have took 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of each chicken powder, jeera powder, then red chili powder, turmeric powder and salt according to our taste. To make a tasty curry, I have took some curry leaves and some green coriander. Now we will preheat a non-stick pot and we will add our sesame seeds to the pot and we will fry them for not more than 2 minutes. So the dry fry of our sesame seeds is done. Now we will add our onions, then our garlics, then the green chilies, then the ginger, and we will fry them until they become brownish red in color. Now we will add some salt according to our taste. We will fry the onions until they become brownish in color. See, they become brownish in color and this is the time to add the tomatoes. Now we are going to add the tomatoes to the onions. Now we will mix everything nicely. Now we will add the curry leaves and the coriander leaves. At last we will add the sesame seeds and we will fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. We are going to make a fine paste of all these ingredients. Now we are going to add our chicken to the heated pot and we will fry them until they become brownish in color. Now we will cover the chicken for nicely cook. Now we are going to make a fine paste of our pre-prepared onion, chilies and garlics. So we have prepared the fine paste. Now we will add our gutted potatoes to the chicken and we will fry them for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we will add salt according to our taste. Then we will add turmeric powder. We will add chicken masala powder. We will add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. We will add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. And we will mix everything very nicely. Now we will add the master mix to our chicken. Mix them well. And cover them for 5 minutes. Now add some lukewarm water so that the chicken will nicely cook. Now cover them for 5 minutes. So our chicken is ready. Now we will serve them with rice. To taste our chicken, we have prepared an indigenous red rice from Assam, which we have collected from the store Thologiri. I have jotted down the address of Thologiri, and you can get this rice from their store near to Jurpukuri, Ujan Bazar, Guwahati. So we have prepared our today's dish, friends, and if you enjoyed our video, then kindly hit the like button and also press the subscribe button for more such recipes, and don't forget to give the comment in the comment section.